So try to use this at least twice a day, and please massage into the area properly, and like just take your time to be tender with the area and just massage into those areas properly. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Dikan, aka Edikoko, aka Queen of DIYs. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning back in. Please, if you're new, definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and click on the notification bell so you get notified every single time that I post a video. And if you're subscribed already and your notification bell is not on, please do well to turn it on so that you know when I post a video, because I think some of you don't get my notifications. I'm not sure, but please make sure that your notification bell is turned on. Welcome to another Skin Deep with Dikan video, and in this video we are going to be learning how to mix this stretch mark eradicating and fading cream. So this cream is going to help with scars and marks and things on the body that you don't want, you know, like all those old scars. Yeah, this is really going to help with that. I apologize for the lighting condition if the weather is acting somehow, because it's just coming on and off, like the sun is just coming on and off like now. Like I said, this video has been highly requested because a lot of women struggle with stretch mark, even I myself, and that is due to adding and losing of weight every now and then, which is pretty much normal as human beings, because sometimes you can't control how your body expands and decreases and all of that. So stretch marks are bound to happen even to both men and women, so it doesn't really matter who. Stretch mark is really a respecter of nobody. So yeah, please, before we get into this video, I wanted to beg you guys to please thumbs up this video. It goes a long way in helping my channel grow. It goes a long way in helping YouTube know that you like my content. Without further ado, let us get right to the workspace. Let me show you how this is done. So first, in a bowl with a spatula, I'm going to be adding my Nivea Q10 Multi 5-in-1 Power Firming plus Cellulite Gel, and this is for all skin types. So this is going to help with the firming effect for our skin, and this says to do a lot, and it firms the skin within 2 weeks and reduces the appearance of cellulite. So yeah, this is going to help us with that. So now this is a 200 ml tube, and I'm going to be adding half of that, which is 100 ml, into my bowl. So next, I'm going to be going in with the Parmesa Cocoa Butter Formula Tummy Butter for stretch marks, and this has collagen, argan oil, elastin, shea butter, and helps to reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It's an intensive treatment that helps with stretch marks. So now I'm just going to go in with half of this as well, and this is, I think, a 200 ml, no, 125 grams container. So I'm just going to go in with about half of that, and I'm just eyeballing that at the moment. I'm just taking half of what's there. Now this butter smells really nice, and it feels great on the skin as well. The texture is lovely, it's non-sticky, so it's just really pleasant on the skin. So yeah, I'm going to add that. So now this is going to help with the stretch mark fading effect for our skin, or purpose for our skin. So now, as you can see, I took half of that out, and it's also in my bowl. So next, I'm going to be going in with bio oil, and now bio oil is a scar cream, or oil, sorry. It helps with fading scars, marks, stretch marks on the skin. So yeah, it's also a very powerful scar fading oil. So now it's 60 ml. I'm going to be adding half of that, which is 30 ml, into my bowl as well. So now, as you can see, all the ingredients are carefully selected, and now I'm going in with Medicasol, and this is an anti-reaction ointment. You can use any one of choice. So I'm just going to go in with a little of that, and then next I'm going to be going in with black cumin oil. This is also a good healing oil for the body. Now another alternative that I would prefer over this is snake oil. That is what I would normally use, but I couldn't find it at the moment, and this was a good alternative. So yeah, black cumin oil, but you can use snake oil in place of that, which is even going to be better. So now I'm just stirring that up to mix it properly, and with my spatula I'm just mixing. Now it's going to take me a little time to mix up the lump for everything to break in and combine properly. So I went in with this other mixer and it didn't really work, so I went back with my spatula, and then much later I think I also tried a kitchen wicks to mix things up properly, as you can see. So the wicks worked way better than the spatula and the other wicks. So yeah, just make sure to mix it properly, that everything mixes up. You want to decrease the lumps as much as possible, and you want these products to combine together very well. And yeah, that's just what I'm demonstrating here. Nothing too serious, just mixing. So now when you're done with your mix, you check the texture and everything is properly combined, little to no lumps, and yeah, you can now transfer it into your storage container. And here I'm just going to take my own storage container. You can recycle any of your beauty products jars and just use for this. So now I'm just transferring that into a 100 grams container, and I'm going to just cover that up. As you can see, we have our stretch mark fading and scar eradicating cream, very easy to pro-mix with products that you can just easily find. So yeah, this is such an easy and effective way to get rid of stretch marks, cellulite, and scars on the body. And yeah, we have our stretch mark fading cream. Voila. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. And how to apply this is that you should just apply it to the affected areas where you have stretch marks on your body or where you have scars. It's going to help eliminate scars, stretch marks, and all of that. So yeah, definitely make sure that you apply this on your body at least 2 times a day on those spots. You can first of all apply your regular lotion on your body and then follow up with this, or you can apply this first on the affected areas and then go over with your lotions. It doesn't really matter. So try to use this at least twice a day, and please massage into the area properly, and like just take your time to be tender with the area and just massage into those areas properly. And because of the content of this smells really delicious because of the cocoa butter content from the Parmesa stretch mark cream. It has like this subtle delicious smell. So yeah, you can definitely use this more than twice a day if you have the time, but trust me, twice a day is just fine. So yeah, that's it for this video. Please, if you found this video helpful, please thumbs it up. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure that you're subscribed if you're not, and make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you're notified every single time that I post a video. So yeah, please do well to follow me on Instagram, because I do post a lot of useful things on my Instagram as well, like some tips as well and tricks. So yeah, definitely check that out. And yeah, that's it for this video, and as always, I wish you a perfect, beautiful, and luscious skin. Mwah! See you guys in my next one.